How to repair damaged items in Minecraft. So first, if you want to use a crafting table, so you could use a crafting table. So I have mine right here. I'm just gonna get another pickaxe. So if you want to repair it with a crafting table, you just need to put it right there and another one just like there. As you can see, it will make it a new one, but it is not efficient since it will basically use another pickaxe for it or any kind of item which is the same item, of course, to basically repair it. So the most efficient way is simply go to an anvil, place it right there, and use what material that particular item is. So this is a wooden pickaxe, so of course I need some oak planks to restore it. So just put it right there, and as you can see, it will restore it to its original state or to its undamaged state. So this will also work with diamond pickaxe. So you'll just basically need some diamonds. So put the diamond pickaxe right here and put the diamond right there. So I'm just gonna show you. So I'm just gonna get the diamond pickaxe and get some diamond. And when you open up the anvil, you should put the damaged pickaxe right there and put your diamond right there. And it will just basically show right there. So since this pickaxe is new, it won't show up right there. But if it's damaged, it will just basically pop up right there. And now you can just claim it. And that's how I basically repair damaged items in Minecraft.